OEM that builds atom-based computers for all the major industrial sectors. We just launched that company, Atoms. The vision is about the coming industrial revolution where large industrial economic sectors get completely digitized.
Okay, so what's going on in prediction markets?
It's Kalshi launches Midterm Hub.
Oh, it's live now. This site looks really nice.
Let me pull it up.
Yeah. Looks like it combines not just prediction market odds, but the polling, the news, and the fundraising historical results. So 24/7. So it's a lot better than just looking at static polling data. So you get to actually see like things will break here faster than they would break on TV, on news. News is old news. Right now it says Republicans have a 57% chance to control the Senate. Right? And then you go to the House. Democrats have 84%. Wow, it's like they have a balance of power. That's very interesting. I wonder how much liquidity is going to be drawn in here.
Next, Pod Comet event tracker added to prediction markets wiki. Odos shuts down July 30th as DeFi aggregator ends all services. Sui launches Hashi testnet enabling native Bitcoin collateralized lending and credit markets. Morpho Midnight launches fixed rate fixed term credit market on Base. Uniswap makes audited dual pool hook open source and ready for implementation on V4. Layer 0 and Kita bring tokenized bank deposits to major chains. Odos Dex permanent shutdown, okay. Plumes Networks next protocol surpasses 50 million TVL. Okay. Travis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you see that? Did you see the video?
Yes.
So he was building in stealth mode, right? So, but I mean, I'm thinking about like why stealth mode? If people get a whiff that the former CEO of Uber is looking to buy land, guess what's going to happen? He's buying up all this like strategic real estate. Guess what? Like if people find out, it's just like what happened to Disney, right? Like, oh, what? All of a sudden, the price jacks up.
Yeah.
So this is what we've been talking for like decades. Cyber physical systems is like, if you want to have a moat, it can't just be software. It has to be physical, tied to physical atoms. That's why the name behind atoms.
Yeah. Now more than ever with AI, right?
It's pretty clever, right? And then it's like, okay, so then how do you automate it? So it's like use robotics.
He has an X post, if you want to go over it. 16 years ago, I started a journey to digitize the physical world, understand, predict, and control the physical world with software. Building atoms-based computers where CPU is manufacturing, storage is real estate, and network is transportation. Uber was first, network for the physical world, digitized transportation for the masses. Cloud Kitchens was next, a food computer with a focus on CPU and storage. An OEM that builds atom-based computers for all the major industrial sectors. We just launched that company, Atoms. The vision is about the coming industrial revolution where large industrial economic sectors get completely digitized.
Question is how does it tie to our Scanna, right? So let's take a look here on Slack. So deployment of large capital into AI infrastructure, robotics, and inference hardware, right? So that's what they're investing $1 billion plus, right? A16Z.
Mm-hmm.
So you're seeing this smart money move, specialized AI systems as the core. So if you want to go beyond productivity, like this is where their mind is at the moment. So if they're investing in specialized hardware, it's sort of like what you were talking about right now. Your frustration is Claude. We need our own models. We need to move. Like at some point when we have the infrastructure and we have the proper funding, you move to specialized hardware, specialized models, specialized autonomous systems, specialized, everything. And then you're not at the mercy of oh, we took away 4.6. Oh, here's 5. Oh, you have till Sunday. Oh, we've extended it. Oh, It's like, what the hell?
Yeah.
So we take a page out of A16Z, which is, look, we need our own specialized hardware, specialized inference, right? So specifically for financial markets and prediction markets. So we definitely need to have our own proprietary models. Like right now we're saying, look, you can use our API and use whatever models you want. But eventually it's like, listen, we've custom tuned these models as we spoken earlier, right? Like we have a custom model for each of those each of those markets. So anyway, I like that, which is, look, the area and the focus is like software could be replicated, but hardware, okay, hardware, real estate, physical, less so, right? So it's a smart move. So if we ever want to like come up with our next big idea, it would have to be the combination of the two, a cyber physical system. Like how nice would it be? Like Scanna has IoT devices we just put throughout the world, billions of them, smart connected devices, billions. Launch your own satellite, get your own data. How much is it to create these little tiny sensors? Like, oh, nothing. It's now a pennies. What are you collecting? Weather information, patterns, movement, anything. Spatial. It's all being fed. Right? There's prediction markets for weather, right? So this stuff already exists, but if you really want to have a valid differentiator, you have to own the whole thing, vertically integrated. Where did this data come from? We got the data. We gathered it. Like, oh, okay. We trust it, right? We're not getting it from third party. In the meantime, we get it from third party.
How to win the largest market in AI. A16Z's strategic thesis on inference specialization.
Demand for inference is going vertical. So in short, GPUs are built for everything. Inference is now big enough and differentiated enough that it requires custom hardware. I did see, like, we saw some startups like focused specifically on building these like specialized servers. So for neural networks, this transformation started in the 2010s with Google development of the TPU, the tensor processing unit. And then other hyperscales like Amazon, Meta, Microsoft followed. Now the frontier labs like OpenAI are following as well. So this isn't a mysterious development. It's just, oh my God, it's written by ChatGPT.
Yeah.
I can't stand reading shit like by AI.
So this relates to what we saw the other day with the company Etched, right? And I was like, can we buy one of these? You remember this?
So what does this here? The machines that win a stable and huge market like AI inference are the ones designed as a whole, from the transistor to the data center floor to the. My goodness. Okay, so build the whole thing. Yeah, this is the one I was referencing. So okay, fine. So you want to build the whole thing yourself? Okay. How much is it going to cost? Is it going to be like what? Now I go from a $300 subscription per month to like what, $10,000? Right? The idea is like, can you make it at mass and lower the cost? And based on Dario's thesis is like, you need the scaling laws, right? Like you need to keep improving the compute, like more data and faster, larger compute capacity.
Mm-hmm.
But eventually, if you don't, you're just going to plateau. So we might be plateauing. Who knows? Okay, so that's like, I guess, the thesis, right? So like an understanding of like in terms of like why they're making these investments, right? So it's pretty good. All right. Anyway, moving on. Charts. What do we have?
Sports top thing. So
Okay. So we got Seattle versus, okay, so more sports, more sports. I guess that's what's really hot right now. It's summertime, right? Esports are getting some traction. And then we saw this yesterday. The Fed, will there be no change? Wait a minute. Now it's just like it completely just shifted now back to 74.
Someone's leaking documents.
It's like 1 minute. It's like a whiplash. It went from like 65, like 60 to 90 down to 70. But anyway, New York Yankees versus Philadelphia. Okay. This one just like shot up to the moon. All right, interesting. So I guess that's about it. So we got to finish our application.
Yeah.
So are you ready to do a? Is the demo done or?
So I've been running issues with Claude today ever since the Opus 5 update. It just stops. Like it works and then it just stops on its own. It's like I've never experienced something like this.
Oh, it's Friday too. Everything you consistently have issues on Friday.
Yeah, it seems like that's when they make all the releases, anything that's like.
And then good luck working on Saturday on the weekend.
Well, I have codecs, so I've had to switch to make codecs just do everything.
Yeah, this is very typical of them.
But 100% like we're submitting by. Well, I'm gonna keep working on this. Like if I have to film at night, I'll do it. But I'm gonna get this demo done as soon as possible. It's the number one priority.
You don't have to be on camera. You're just screen sharing.
But I mean, I could.
That's all you're doing. Like, okay, here, let me show you how to actually. Here's a quick walkthrough in terms of how you can leverage Scanna.
Like this is what I plan on doing, right? I plan on having our site open and just using Scanna is as simple as taking this installation script, pasting it into Claude, right? Or downloading this, clicking it, it automatically does it for Claude desktop, right? If someone doesn't use Claude Code, then you go inside, it automatically installs all the skills, all the plugins, whatever, and you can simply ask what's hot on Polymarket and dive deeper into a specific market and get a whole bunch of data that you wouldn't normally get elsewhere. That's pretty much all. Like if someone's like, how do I use Scanna? It's like, paste this, install it. Your agent will install it on its own, and then you just ask it any question. And these are the types of questions you can ask it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And then you can run various strategies, iterative, and you can set a scheduler, and then you could just run anytime a condition is triggered, an entry position, an exit position. So it's like it will alert you because it's running 24/7.